Benjamin Pešači od avgusta meseca prošle godine kroz čitavu Evropu pregazio do sada 8 zemalja. Kakav je plan dalje? Kuda idete dalje?
Well, tomorrow I'm gonna stay in Kragujevac and hold a lecture about the human rights violations committed by the Israeli forces in Palestine. And then I will continue on through Serbia and Niš, and I will cross the border at Dimitrovgrad to Bulgaria.
Sutra će da drži predavanje o onome što izraelska vlada radi u Palestini, a posle toga će da nastavi prema Nišu i bugarskoj granici do Dimitrovgrada.
And as I always do, I try to stop and meet people along the way, tell them about the human rights abuses.
Uvek se trudi da stane i da usput razgovara s ljudima, da priča o zlostavljanju i o nasilju nad ljudima.
And I still have maybe 3,000 kilometers left or 2,500, something like that. So I have a lot of time to tell as many people as possible of what's going on.
To je izuzetna hrabrost prepešačiti toliku relaciju.
It's very courageous of you to go on such a long trip.
Hvala.
Šta je bila ideja pokretač da krenete na tako dalek put?
What was your motivation for such a long journey?
Well, it's all to raise awareness about the human rights violations committed by the Israeli forces in Palestine.
Želeo sam da podignem svest o kršenju ljudskih prava od strane Izraela u Palestini.
If you see the terrible reality there, as I did some of it, I was there last year, you will feel the need and the urge to be a part of change, because change needs to happen.
Kad biste vidjeli ono što sam ja video pre nekog vremena u Palestini, i vi biste osjetili potrebu da budete deo te promene koja će nastupiti.
To mention something, just a few of the outrageous things that are going on. If a Palestinian throws a stone, the punishment is 20 years in jail. There are walls and segregation barriers everywhere, and currently there are 300 children in prisons.
Samo da pomenem neke, na primjer ako bacite kamen, možete da dobijete 20 godina robije, postoje zidovi koji ograđuju ljude i segregacija je dosta raširena.
The human rights violations are innumerable. You cannot count them all because there are too many. But I'm trying to do my best in telling as many people as possible about them.
Nebrojeni su primjeri kršenja ljudskih prava, a ja pokušavam da ukažem na neke od njih.
This is of course the whole reason for the journey. It's not about me or what I'm doing, it's about what's going on in Palestine.
Kada planirate da stignete do cilja?
When are you planning to reach your goal, meaning Palestine?
Well, next summer. Maybe June, July, I'm not sure. How long is it from Kragujevac to Palestine, you tell me?
Vi ste studirali globalne studije.
Yes, I did, but I quit those studies and I quit my job.
Šta će biti dalje kad završite ovaj put i ovu misiju?
What will happen when you finish this trip and this mission?
Well, I'm not sure where my road will take me. Obviously, I quit pretty much my whole life back in Sweden. I don't have much left, but we'll see. Next project probably, whatever that may be.
Pa ja sam napustio svoj život i svoju karijeru, ne znam šta će biti posle ovog puta, možda neki novi život.
I mean, I'm not much for the working 9 to 5 every day of your life till you're 65 and then retire and do not so much kind of guy.
Ne sviđa mi se mnogo da radimo 9 do 5 svakog dana i da mi to bude život. Nisam takav tip.
I think activism is a very conducive way of living that will give you emotional, spiritual satisfaction, if I can use that word, and make your life feel slightly meaningful.
Aktivizam je ono što čoveka može da ispuni emocionalno i da vam da neko zadovoljenje.